won't be going home. For so long, and I know I won't be going home. My own, I feel like right now, and if you are here with me, cause right now, everything is new to me. I can find the feeling whenever I feel it right now. I wish you were here with me. All my friends just like how it used to be. Di yan yung kailangan mo doon. Easter Gumball, hindi yan. Easter version, yung nabibili mo sa shop.
Pero tignan mo to.
Okay, meron din ako yun. Pero di yan yung binibigay mo dun sa akin. I'm feeling like kaya pala yan eh. Kaya pala lagi may event eh. Ano mo? Kaya pala lagi may ulan yung ano yun. Parang yung sa Stila Brain Rot. Every night I feel like right now I wish you were here.
No, I want to choose my event.
I could do this forever.
So this is what the Gumball.
Let's go crazy together.
Then there's a big one. Let's see how much are there later. Okay, if you want part 2, I will show what Gummy Cactus look like. So stay tuned. Let's get to 10
Ito ang
likes.
Dumb and Broke. Maganda to.
Okay, this.
May namin ang Dumb and Broke.
This. How much what is this?
Oh, you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I
That's
cannot
that's
give
more.
you everything, you know I wish I could.
Oh!
I'm so high at the
How about
moment,
this?
I feel out of
Ooh!
place.
Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Peace.